Hi, my name is Ashton Caron. I'm a senior at Nokomis Regional High, and this is my science fair project studying the impact of forage quality on bovine grazing patterns. So, I wanted to find out, are cattle grazing patterns impacted by forage nutrition? I also wanted to find if pasture raised cattle follow the principles of optimal foraging theory. My method for doing this was to use a GPS logger, which with my mentor at the University of Maine, I was able to hardwire a new battery into it. And then using the software, I was able to make it record the location every 5 minutes and put it within GPS collars. And then I would move cows from pasture to pasture, taking data samples right before I would move them in there, and then eventually going through the data and analyzing it. And so, what my data analysis found was I was able to find the time spent in shade or the time not spent grazing, which basically analyzes the time that they were eating during the day. And if you compare that, which is lowest during days 10 to 15, which is when they were in pasture 3, you can see that that correlates to the highest quality of forage. You can also see that from days 1 to 5, they spent the most time in shade, and that day had the lowest quality forage. From this data, I was able to come to the conclusion that forage nutrition does in fact change cattle grazing patterns. I also found that pasture raised cattle follow the principles of optimal foraging theory. However, outside of a controlled environment such as this one, it would be hard to prove such principles because there's so many factors such as water, predators, and how accessible food is. Using my data, I plan on helping other farmers to be able to come to conclusions on how they can better manage their cattle. Thank you.